Hi, this is the VIVO V29 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So open first the control panel and you'll see here all of the available options. If you want to add here the new options or remove some of them, or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to the edit icon and you'll see here this down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should hold the icon and drag it to this subsection. To remove the icons from here by the same way, hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And to change the positions of the icons, you should just hold and drag it. To reset the changes, click to these three dots and tap to reset, or to save the changes, just click to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.